Vienna, where the funeral of the Savio Gama Menezes has taken place, and about 30,000 of his followers has attended his funeral some years back. Father Savio Menezes Gama, late Father Savio Menezes Gama, was instrumental in getting the charismatic movement in Goa. He was born on 18th March 1952 and died on 29th of October 1995. Many of his followers has visited at the cemetery of Vienna Church today morning. Through his prayers and through his charismatic movement, retreats in different parts of Goa, India, and other parts of the world, he has proclaimed Jesus, Mother Mary, and even today, after his death, so many of his followers are coming to visit at his niche or the cemetery at Vienna